Today Lucas is doing an oil change on his KLX110. He's 11 now, and I feel that if he wants to ride, he needs to wrench on his own bike. Alright, first things, remove the skid plate. You only need an 8mm socket. On both sides there's a bolt, and on the back here there's two 12mm bolts to remove. The engine oil is warm right now because Lucas has been running his bike for about 5 minutes on the yard. Now we remove the oil cap to ensure there's air going in as the oil drains from the plug. It would work, but it would take a bit longer. Now with the oil pan in place, you want to remove the 17mm drain plug. It's not that bad. Could have been worse. The oil filter itself is located in front of the engine. Just use a 8mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the cover. New filter is ready to reinstall. We'll apply a bit of oil on the rubber seal and then we'll install it the way it was before. According to the manual, the correct torque is 5.2 Nm for the 8mm bolts.
No.
Now the torque for the drain bolt is 29 Nm. Now on this bike, there's a window for the oil level, so make sure the oil sits in the middle, and after you're done you replace the oil cap and skid plate and you're done.